The Signal All-Russian Scientific and Research Institute has been functioning since the mid-1950s, when a branch of the Moscow-based Central Institute of Automatics and Hydraulics was established in Kovrov to produce the first Soviet-designed stabilizers for tanks. Signal also developed the first indigenous automated command and control system for modern self-propelled guns and rocket artillery. The enterprise is now intensively conducting some works in this area. The enterprise now produces automated command and control systems for ground troops artillery, electric and hydraulic drives, and components of command and control systems for combat rotorcraft, naval surface combatants, and other types of military hardware. In order to fit non-automated tube and mortar artillery units with automated fire control capabilities, the Signal Institute has developed the Planshet-A artillery command and control system. The device provides automated fire control at battery and battalion level, regardless of unit subordination, the spontaneous deployment of combat systems on non-prepared firing positions, and counter-battery maneuvers. The Planshet-A automated artillery command and control system comprises the following subsystems: 4 unified command and control kits for battery commander, command and control platoon commander, senior battery officer, and commander of artillery platoon, 2 unified crew commanders kits. Each kit is designed to automate 4 artillery system commanders, and 2 auxiliary hardware kits. The system's hardware provides wireless integration of a portable computer with various reconnaissance assets, including laser target designating rangefinders, unmanned aerial vehicles, and automated meteorological devices. The number of unified kits for a battery or battalion is defined by the organic structure of a unit. The Planshet-A provides information sharing between various control bodies, command and control systems, weapon system crews, various reconnaissance assets, including unmanned aerial vehicles and acoustic and thermal artillery reconnaissance stations, and meteorological complexes. The battery commanders and senior battery officers' kits integrate man-portable terminals that allow sharing formalized and non-formalized information, calculate firing data, and control artillery firing processes. The gun commander's kit comprises a tactical radio, which also serves as a mobile data terminal. The components of the Planshet-A can be stored in a tactical vest with molar interface, dramatically increasing the comfortability of its use. The Planshet-A ensures an artillery control cycle of 30 seconds for an artillery battery and 50 seconds for an artillery battalion against both stationary and pop-up ground targets. Therefore, the units equipped with the Planshet-A are capable of engaging any sensitive target and leaving their firing positions once the task is completed. The Planshet-A artillery command and control system may be mounted on the ABC-2 armored vehicle or another types of carriers, including foreign-made ones, that meet the requirements in terms of under-armor space and power supply. The ABC-2 vehicle features protection against small arms fire and fragments of artillery ammunition. Such a solution dramatically increases the combat survivability of the whole system that can be operated both on the move and at the hold. The carrier also has several racks for the components of the Planshet-A. The compact layout of the Planshet-A artillery command and control system allows the rapid deployment of its components. It takes no more than 6 minutes to set up a command post for a battery or an artillery battalion. When being operated on unprepared firing position, the combat deployment time doesn't exceed 9 minutes. The Planshet-A conducts basic geospatial survey in no more than 2 minutes, with circular error probable not exceeding 10 meters. The vehicle-borne automated workstations calculate firing data and control artillery firing processes at battery and platoon levels. Now you have a chance to see the simulation of the functioning of the Planshet-A artillery command and control system. It should be mentioned that battery commander and senior battery officer can operate their workstations in remote mode. In order to improve the combat effectiveness of mortar and artillery units, the works to integrate the Planshet-A with the 1B75E automated thermal and acoustic artillery reconnaissance system are being conducted. The 1B75E employs information about ammunition bursts and road flight trajectories to find firing positions of opposing side's artillery. Transferring reconnaissance data in a timely manner right to the command and control station is said to dramatically reduce reaction time and enhances the effectiveness of return fire. Moreover, the 1B75E system allows supporting allied artillery through accuracy evaluation and fire adjustment. It should be mentioned that the system is capable of functioning in passive mode. Therefore, an artillery control system of systems may be formed on the base of the Planshet-A unit and the 1B75E acoustic and thermal artillery reconnaissance station. This system of systems provides a number of tactical advantages, including high survivability of artillery command and control assets, flexible architecture of artillery units, the capability of integration with various reconnaissance assets, including unmanned aerial vehicles and acoustic and thermal artillery reconnaissance stations, and in-time calculation of firing data and its transfer to the commanders of deployed field artillery systems.